Hi, and welcome to another episode of Bruce Fixes Stuff. But on this episode, I'm not actually going to fix something. I'm just going to show you how to use something or how to do something. Specifically, how to use the green screen function in Clipchamp. Now, I'm not really where it looks like I am. And if I turn off the green screen effect, you'll see exactly that I'm just standing in front of a green screen. So, now you've seen what it can do. Let's show you how to do it.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is open up Clipchamp. If you don't already have Clipchamp on your computer, you can go to clipchamp.com and get it there. Once you open it, you go to create a new video. And now you want to do a couple of things. First thing you want to do is import your media. Now, I've created one called How to Use a Green Screen. How to Use a Green Screen 1. Okay, this is me talking about what I want to do, what I want to say. Now, there's two things you can do. You can either drag it down like that, or you can just do it the easy way like I like to do and click the plus button, add to timeline. Boom. Now, at the beginning of this, I'm still walking to the screen, so wait till I'm actually there. We're going to edit that part. I'm going to select that first part and delete it. Now, this part, also at the end of this, I say,
Let's show you how to do it.
that, and I don't want anything after that because that's just me walking off the camera to go shut the camera back off. So this is the length of the actual video that I want. So what I want to do now is I want to crop it so that I'm completely on the green screen. But I want to keep the 16:9 aspect ratio, so that's not going to fit unless I do something like this, and then I can lower me down like that. But I'm still bigger than I want to be, so I want to kind of shrink me down a bit. And then bring me down. There, that's better. And then I can bring me down. Hell, I'm still there, it's okay. But at least I'm basically in the screen, right? Okay, so now when I play,
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Bruce Fixes Stuff.
see, that's me talking, that's great. Now, I don't want it to be just me like that, though. I want to be standing in a room. So I'm going to go to Content Library on the left, and I'm going to go to Visuals. I just need an image. I don't need a video, just an image. I want to make a room. And let's just type in room. Okay, here's some choices for rooms, but I don't want the subscription ones that have this little icon in the corner because I haven't upgraded to the premium. I only got the free, so I'm going to click on this and go free only. And it'll show me some free rooms that I can be standing in. And, oh, I don't know, let's try this one. So we're going to go add to timeline. Now this, two things we have to do. We've got to make this the right length, and since it's just a picture, I can extend it as long as I want it to be. So now it's the same length as the actual video. I can stretch it so it's the size of the screen. And then maybe move it to where I want it to be. Kind of like there. Okay, now the other thing we've got to do is move that under the clip. Now here I am, but you can see the screen. So what we got to do is select the video of me, go into Effects, scroll down till we find the thing that says green screen and click on that, and boom, there I am standing in a room. So now we can go back and play it through.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Bruce Fixes Stuff. But on this episode, I'm not actually going to fix something. I'm just going to show you how to use something or how to do something. Specifically, how to use the green screen function in Clipchamp. Now, I'm not really where it looks like I am.
Pause in a second.
And if I turn off the green screen effect,
Right there, I'm going to pause because I'm going to split this. But before I do, I'm going to go over here to this screen threshold button and move it. If I move it too far to the right, you'll see the green. If I move it too far to the left, whoops. If I move it too far to the left, I start to get distorted and lose even more hair than I already have. So I want to be somewhere in the middle where it looks semi-reasonable, kind of like that. So once you've picked that sweet spot, I can go back in here and I can split this because at this point I want to turn off the green screen effect. So I'm going to go over to here where it says none. See, I got green screen on, click none, boom. And now when we play the video back, we've got this, watch.
hi, and welcome to another episode of Bruce Fixes Stuff. But on this episode, I'm not actually going to fix something. I'm just going to show you how to use something or how to do something. Specifically, how to use the green screen function in Clipchamp. Now, I'm not really where it looks like I am. And if I turn off the green screen effect, you'll see exactly that I'm just standing in front of a green screen. So, now you've seen what it can do. Let's show you how to do it.
So what we do now is we go over to export and export it to a video. It's untitled. I'm going to say green screen tutorial 1. So now that's going to record that tutorial. I could change it. I could make myself even smaller so that I'm standing completely in this room. There's a few different things I could do, but at this point, it's just a matter of saving it. So I'm going to save it and then see how it actually looks when we play it back. Now that's going to appear here. And if I click on that, it'll take me to the folder where I've got it. I've got it saved into my downloads folder. Now if I click on that, I can rename it. I'm going to take out the part where it says made with Clipchamp. I'm just going to call it Green Screen Tutorial 1. And there it is. So then I can go like this and play it back, and let's see how it looks.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Bruce Fixes Stuff. But on this episode, I'm not actually going to fix something. I'm just going to show you how to use something or how to do something.
Seems to be going pretty good.
How to use the green screen function.
My hair's a little blurry. I could have adjusted that a bit better.
Now, I'm not really where it looks like I am. And if I turn off the green screen effect, you'll see exactly that I'm just standing in front of a green screen. So,
I probably should have brushed my hair before I did this.
You've seen what it can do. Let's show you how to do it.
And that's the finished product. So that is how you use a green screen in Clipchamp.
I hope you liked that video. And if you did, please give it a like, hit subscribe, write me some comments. Those things all help me bring you more videos. And if you leave me comments telling me what you'd like to see next, maybe I'll make one of what you want. So until next time, this is Bruce from Bruce Fixes Stuff. I'll see you in the next video.